Okay, boys and girls, you're going to need sort 53, the mysterious N and M, and you're going to remove the paper clip that you found on the side because you're going to need everything underneath. And I want you to take out your sound build boxes so that we can write right away. And I have a Ziploc bag for you stapled to construction paper. This Ziploc bag is to put all the pieces from your sort in until Thursday, because on Thursday you're gluing your sort. Today, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you're sorting your word sort, but you're not gluing. I do want you to take a picture of your word sort and send it to me so I know that you understood it, okay? Okay, so make sure Mommy and Daddy take a picture after you sort your word sort. Okay, so I'm going to make this go away for now. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to have this. I need these two things for right now. Let's talk about the word sort. Okay, we see lots of different words. I want you to see if you can try to read a couple of them with me. How do I say this word? An. Now, this isn't an. It's not ain. It's an. It's kind of a nasally A. It's a third sound that you hear A make whenever N follows it. So an, b, an, win. See, you don't hear a weird sound there. Run, p, an. So that A is making a nasally sound. Okay, let's talk about NG words. Words that end in NG, because we're talking about mysterious N and mysterious M. They're hard to hear in some of these words. That's why they're mysterious. So we're going to be sorting based on the sound being kind of mysterious. So we're going to look for words that end in NG for now. Okay, so I want you to see if you can find words that end in NG. Boom, I found a word that ends in NG. I circled the words that are your spelling words this week. NG, ing. I don't really hear the N. So let's talk about ing. Ing is a chunked sound. Ing. It's 3 letters, 1 sound. So I'm not going to sound it out. I'm not going to go w, I, n, g. I'm going to say w, ing. When I see ing, it says ing. Say ing. Ing. Okay, let's talk about ang. Ang. The N is mysterious. Ang. Ang is a chunk. It's a chunked piece making 1 sound. Ang. If you see ing, it's ing. Ang, ang. You don't really hear the N, but it is there. It's mysterious, okay? And then same thing for rung. Ung. NG, when they're together, they make us an interesting sound. So that interesting sound is what we're talking about this week. That NG, whatever vowel goes before it, it's going to be a chunk this week. It's going to be 1 sound. 3 letters, 1 sound, okay? Ang, ung, okay? So I want you to then look at the words that have am. Okay, all words that have am, even if am is not the ending. So am, 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 amp, amp, all words that have am. And then any words that do not have ng or am, they're going to be oddball this week. There are several ways you can do this sort. This is how we're going to do the sort this week. Any oddball, any words that do not end in ng, and any words that do not have am are going to fall under oddball this week. Okay? Let's go ahead and spell our first word. Okay, I'm going to move all my letters back. Make sure you have your letters out. Let's go ahead and spell. Okay, our first word to spell is tram. T-r-am. T-r-am. I hear a blend in the beginning. Tur, t-r, t, r, a, am. I'm hearing that nasally A again. Whenever you hear that M at the end, or you see M at the end, that A is going to sound a little bit funny. It's not tur-am. A says a or A, but it's not tur-am. It's tram. It's a nasally A because sometimes words that end in M and N, they make the A say a third sound. Am. It's kind of nasally. T-R-A-M. Tram. Okay? So let's go ahead and spell our word. Take out your sound box. I hear that blend. T-R. Okay? Nasally A. And then there's that mysterious M sound. Sometimes you have to pay close attention whenever you hear that nasally A in a word. Pay attention to that last sound. Is it an N or is it an M? Okay? Tram. Okay? Our next word, listen carefully, clam. Clam. K-l-am. Okay, so I've got those two sounds. I need to break away my T and my R, and then I need to make it again, make it, break it, change it to kl. K-l. C-L. Good. C-L-A-M. Clam. Okay? So let's go ahead and spell it. C-L-A-M. C-L-A-M. Okay. Next word. Are you ready? Ramp. Okay. So as you notice the trend, I'm using AM in my words. Okay, so I've got that third sound the A makes. Okay, so let's break away the ones we don't need. We know we don't need these, and these are in the wrong place. Okay, I heard that when I tapped it out. R, A, M, P, P, R, A, M, P, P, ramp. Okay, let's go ahead and write it down. P, ramp. So what I want you to learn this week is this is an interesting sound. This vowel before the M or the N this week can make an interesting sound. So we have to pay close attention to that vowel sound. We also have to pay close attention to the sound after the vowel. Is it an M or is it an N? Sometimes it's hard to hear, okay? So we're focusing on M and N this week. Okay, our next word is tramp. Okay, so I know I have more letters because I just counted. I have 5 letters. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shift them up. Okay, so break them away but keep them close because I heard an added letter. So I heard ramp in my word. So let's see what I need to do. T. I know I need a T. Ooh, it's right here ready for me. P. So it's the same word, ramp, but I added that T sound to make it tramp. Okay, so I added an additional letter. Okay, so T-R-A-M-P. Tramp. I have a blend in the beginning. Tur. I have that interesting sound, the third sound the A makes. P. So I've got my am in my word. Am says am, kind of like our sight word am. Okay, am. We have the sight word am as a trick word because A makes this an interesting sound before the M. So we're working on words that have that same sound, that same word am inside of them, whether it's at the end or the middle. I want you to underline am inside your words, okay? All right, good job.